Hello everyone, we are Team Powerhouse and this is our Openenv Hackathon submission site reliability server. So our core idea is simple. LLM should learn to act and not just answer. In real production incidents, SREs don't just describe the problem, they investigate the logs, they analyze the metrics and only resolve the issue when the system is truly healthy. So we built a production grade reinforcement learning environment for SRE incident response. It follows the four main pillars of OpenENV, that is reset, step, state and grader. So you must be wondering what the agent actually does. So it observes the metrics, logs, alerts, configs and full incident context. Followed by it also does restarting the services, scaling capacity, rolling back the configs and resolving the incidents. So this is an over RLVR reinforcement learning with verifiable rewards. Reward is tied to real world environment state, not just text. We don't reward the model for saying the right thing, we reward it only if latency drops, service health improves, and proper incident protocol is actually followed. For training, we have used GRPO style training with measurable reward improvement, and the model which we have used is Quen 2.5 with 3 billion parameters. So the following are the two graphs, that is the reward graph which shows that the agent is learning to take better real world actions over time, and the loss graph which shows stable and effective policy learning. Apart from it, we have provided our W and B link with all the graph plot over here, followed by the collab link where you can check all our logs, and the blog.md file which is posted on our Hugging Face. We also have deliverables written in our README file. In short, this is a production SRE as a trainable RL environment where LLMs don't just explain the systems, they diagnose, they act, they collaborate, and they recover with them. Thank you.